Have you heard the news? NVIDIA has just vaulted past Microsoft to become the most valuable publicly listed company in the world. On Tuesday, NVIDIA's stock price rose nearly $5, or 3.7%, to $135.77, valuing the AI chip maker at an astonishing $3.33 trillion. That's more than Microsoft and Apple. Microsoft stands at $3.31 trillion, while Apple is at $3.29 trillion. NVIDIA's rise is a testament to its dominance in the big tech world. Just a year ago, NVIDIA's market capitalization had crossed the $1 trillion threshold. Now it's over $3 trillion. What's driving this incredible growth? Surging demand for NVIDIA's AI chips and a booming data center business. These chips are powering massive corporate spending on AI technology. NVIDIA's stock has soared more than 174% this year, even trading at over $1,200 before a 10-for-1 stock split on June 7th. Now is the time to invest in this groundbreaking movement with a regulated company in South Africa. Secure your future in the tech revolution. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Invest in NVIDIA and the future of AI today. Contact us on WhatsApp or visit our website to get started. Your future in tech begins now. Invest smart, invest in the future, invest with us.